Myself, Dr. Alok Yadav. I am a pediatrician in the National Institute of TB and Respiratory Disease. I am working as a Chief Medical Officer in this institute. I joined this institute in 2009. Direct observer therapy, DOTS therapy, that is adapted by our TB control program in India, in which we are giving the TB drugs under the supervised to the patient by the healthcare worker or any family attendant. In the direct observation treatment, the patient has given the right duration, right time and right amount of the drug, because most of the drugs right now are under the weight bands. So if we are giving these drugs under the supervised, we also assess their symptoms, their adverse event, whatever is coming during the treatment. So DOTS therapy is very necessary therapy in which patient get the correct dose for the correct duration, for the correct time, and also adverse events is also timely assessed by the healthcare worker, so that these patients come to our health system for getting the treatment of the adverse event, and treatment also continue after managing these adverse event. So patient have more faith under this TB control program by giving the DOT therapy. BCG is a very effective vaccine. From a long time, BCG comes under the National Immunization Schedule in our country. We are giving the BCG vaccine 0.05 ml on lateral deltoid at the time of the birth to the children. It is a very effective vaccine. We are using the Danish 1331 strain in this vaccine. It is a very effective vaccine in the children's. Near about 80% of the severe form of the TB, just like a tubercular meningitis, TB-borne TB, and the miliary form of the TB is prevented by giving these BCG vaccinations. And this is effective at least 10 to 15 years by giving the BCG vaccines. Actually, vulnerable populations are the populations, generally it comes just like a minors, prisoners, or the population who are frequently moved from one place to another places, just like a migrant populations. And another vulnerable populations comes under this group is the children's, HIV populations, and those who have decreased immunity, just like a long-term diabetic patient, malnourished patient who are alcoholic. So these are the vulnerable populations. These populations are living in a close contact, so the chances of the TB is more in these group of the population if anyone in their family got the TB infection. And due to the decreased immune system, another group who has the decreased immune system, they are also chances of the TB infection more. Because TB, when the immune system decreases, the chances of the TB active, the chances of the TB active form of the TB is more from the latent group to active form of the tuberculosis. So these population, we have to give prime focus on these type of the population to find out the early symptoms of the TB in this particular population. Regarding the HIV patient, the HIV patient have more chances to get the TB infection rather than the individual patient who is not having the TB. The TB infection is near about 15 to 20% more chances to get the TB infection. But just assessing by the 4S symptoms, you can early assess these type of the patient to find out the TB infection. So 4S symptoms has near about sensitivity of 70 to 80%. So whenever these HIV patients come into the health system, each and every time the health worker assess the 4S symptoms. By assessing these symptoms, you can find out TB patient from these HIV patients. If there is any symptoms of cough, fever, not gaining weight, especially in the children's after adequate nutrition, or any contact history of the family of the TB patient, or in the adult nighttime symptoms, evening rises of the fever, you have to first come into the health system, because all the TB medications and all the TB treatment are completely free under the government of India. If you have any of these symptoms, you have to come early into the health system so that early diagnosis can be made, for the TB disease, and by getting the early diagnosis you get the early treatment so that other family member can also be prevented from this disease.